Figure tag genuinely wraps real self-contained content like an image, with Figcaption tag providing an actual real caption. In this video you'll build a real caption figure. Figure genuinely wraps this real self-contained visual content semantically distinct from the actual surrounding prose. Figcaption genuinely provides the real, actual caption describing the figure's content associated semantically with it. Figure genuinely isn't limited to images, it can genuinely wrap any real self-contained content like this code block. Figure tag genuinely wraps real self-contained content. Figcaption tag genuinely provides its real associated caption. Figure genuinely isn't limited to images, any real self-contained content qualifies. Add a real figure Figcaption pair around an image on your page. Ready to control real link downloads and rel values?